Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for September 30th through October 12th. For September 30th to October 4th, this is what we're forecasting. The pattern's pretty consistent. And we have a trough here. We have a ridge here over Alaska, just north. We have a trough here along or near the west coast. We have another ridge here across southeast and southern U.S. And we have a trough here extended from northern Canada into the northern U.S. And the models are in good agreement on this. And this forecast pattern is forecast to persist beyond this period. This pattern favors a southward transport of polar air into the northern U.S. with a continued summer-like conditions from the Gulf Coast to the southeast. Now, between these two air masses, a persistent strong frontal boundary will persist. Waves of low pressure are forecast to ride along the strong boundary. I was going to bring this up, but I didn't have time. And will result in potentially heavy rainfall for portions of the Midwest to the Great Lakes this weekend and into early next week. Adequate cold air in place north of the boundary may support precipitation falling as snow for some areas from the northern Rockies to the northern plains. Showers and storms are forecast across the Gulf Coast in the southeast, and which could be locally heavy. Moisture, now we're going to take a look at moisture from ROSA. You can see here, could spread into, or is expected to spread into portions of the southwest. And this could bring a threat of flash flooding. You're looking here at the GFS. Let me see if I can get this. The GFS, and then we go through it. You can see the moisture moving in, locally heavy rainfall. This is Monday, Tuesday. Then Wednesday it's gone. Here's the European. A little more heavier rain centered here. And then we'll look at the rainfall for, this is rainfall amounts in a 6-hour period. You can see some bright reds. Oops. Let's get back to that. Some bright reds. And that is bringing it like maybe 2-3 inch, close to the 3-inch mark. And then we go further in the period, it lifts out. That's the European. And now we look at the GFS. Then it's extreme, and then it moves out. Now look at the period for October 3rd to the 7th. The pattern remains generally unchanged. We still have our ridge here over Alaska, a trough along or near the west coast. Here's our ridge across southeast and the southern U.S. and our trough that extends in the northern U.S. Models in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of this area here. And on forecast anomalies, this might be a little bit too high. But for now, I'm saying 6 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast here, with the anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation across this area here. And forecasting probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. October 8th to the 12th. Miles of good agreement. And what we have here is that we have above normal heights here from Alaska to over the eastern Pacific. This pushes the trough inland. We have a trough in the west. And then our ridge here across the southeast in the Gulf of Mexico. Miles of pretty good agreement. We'll just take a quick look here. So for this forecast period, forecasting still above normal temperatures for this region here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of at least 4 degrees above normal. It could be a little higher. and then below normal temperatures are forecast here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation across this vast area, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. This is the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 30th to October 12th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.